Hello and welcome to Liam's Lock Pad. Got another Euro lock today. It's not a new one, it's an old one. It's a UAP, it's all brass. 5 pins. Show you the bitting. Some low cuts there. Not too bad. Bit worn. Made, British made. It does work. It's a bit touchy, this one. I think there we go. I think the key is a bit worn. I don't think it's the lock. I think it's the key itself. It does work fine. Let's get it picked. I'm going to use a South Orb tension wrench, and I'm going to use a small hook. Back of the pick and lock top of the keyway. Very little tension for this one, just a tiny bit. Number 5. I don't think that was number 5. That's number 5. 4. Got binder on number 4. 3. Give me a second, I'll just reset. There we go. 5. Everything felt a bit strange then inside that. Number 3. And there we go. Took me a few times there. Bit tricky, that one. I've not picked this one before. That was the first time I had a good couple of goes. This pick is on its way out a little bit, but besides that, I think that's my first. It is my first Euro lock standard one, I would call this, meaning that the other one was a dimple one. It wasn't actually this type, but yeah, it weren't too bad really. A little bit tricky for a few seconds, but got it down. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe, and bye.